Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your MAC address and your IP address on a Windows computer in just a few simple steps. Whether you are setting up a network, troubleshooting Wi-Fi, or just curious, this tutorial has you covered. The quickest way is using the command prompt. Let me show you how. In this search box, type CMD. Click on command prompt. Now to find your IP address, type ipconfig and press enter. Look for the line that says IPv4 address. That's your local IP address. You can also see your subnet mask and default gateway here. Now to find your MAC address, type getMAC and press enter. That's your MAC address. In the physical address column, it is your MAC address. It looks like 6 pairs of letters and numbers separated by dashes. But here is one power user trick with which you can find IP address and MAC address, and along with it you can find other essential details as well. Just type ipconfig / and all. This command shows everything: your IP address, your MAC address, your DNS server, your DHCP status and more, all in one place. You see, look for this physical address and you will find the MAC address. Look for IPv4 address and you will find the IPv4 address here. Mind it, IPv4 address for the Ethernet adapter. If you have Wi-Fi adapter, the output of this command will show you the information pertaining to that adapter as well. But if you prefer a graphical interface with no typing, here is the settings method. Right click on this Ethernet icon and select network and internet settings. Now open this option. In this you would find IPv4 address and your MAC address. And that's it. These are the easy ways with which you can find your IP address and MAC address on Windows. To recap, use ipconfig for a quick IP address, getMAC for your MAC address, or ipconfig / all for everything at once. Or just head to network settings if you want a no command approach. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tips. Drop a comment below if you have any question. See you in the next video.